So today I'm gonna try the Mighty Patch. So I saw this everywhere on like TikTok and like Instagram, and when I was at Target today I saw it and I'm like, that will be perfect for me because I have all these whiteheads and I'm breaking out and it sucks. This was like $7. It says 6 original for night, 6 invisible for day. I'm gonna do the night ones. So this is what it looks like. Cool. Let's see which one is which. Original one is the one that's just clear like that. So. Today is Columbus Day. Okay, get the first one. I am going to put it right there. Then right there. And then right here. I might want to, if this actually works, I like it. There's like 36 packs online. Right here. Gonna go back in Accutane. I'm excited. For some people, you have to do it like 2 times for it to clear your skin fully, so that's what I'm doing. Ugh. Let's see. They kind of look like Band-Aids. Okay, I'm gonna put one more. That part is from my nail. Sometimes I just really hate social media. Okay, I'll get back to you in the morning. Peace out. Here's what they look like. So it's the morning, and we're gonna take them off. Ooh, that was a good. That one didn't really work. Ouch. Yeah, that one didn't work either. What's this? Sorry for the close-up. Ow. Just a little bit. Maybe they have to be bigger whiteheads. What the hell? So it somewhat worked. I'm kind of mad. Bye. Give this a 5. Hey, so that did not really work on me. I think next time I use it, I have to have like big old pimples and whiteheads for it to actually work. But anyways, thanks for watching.